Hello and welcome to this video solution of Numerit. Here you have to design a bungee jump apparatus for an adult. Now it's given that a bungee jumper falls from a high platform with two elastic cords tied to the ankle. The jumper falls freely for a while with the cord slack. Then the jumper falls an additional distance with the cord increasingly tense. Right. And you have to assume that you have cords that are, let's say, 15 meters long. So L naught is the initial length of 15 meters, and the final length is 22 meters when they are stretched, right? And the mass of the jumper, let's say it's 100 kgs, right? Now you have to tell which of the following statements is the basis for answering part D correctly, right? Now one, uh, the